What is the value of the expression 85 plus open parenthesis 2 plus 3 close parenthesis divided by 5 times 3 minus 1 inside the parenthesis? Which option do you think is the correct answer to this question? This expression is very tricky and 98% of people get it wrong. Let's break it down and solve it together. Many people, when solving this question, go straight to the first parenthesis and simplify this expression to 85 plus 5 divided by 5 times 3 minus 1 inside the parenthesis. And the next step, they go to the addition between 85 and 5 and simplify this expression to 90 divided by 5 times 3 minus 1 inside the parenthesis. Then, they perform the division between 90 and 5 and write this expression as 18 times 3 minus 1 inside the parenthesis. And the final step, they go to the expression inside the parenthesis and simplify it to 18 times 2, which ultimately gives them the answer 36. Then, without any hesitation, they quickly say that option A is the correct answer to this question. However, this answer is absolutely wrong. Also, some other people when solving this question first go to the expressions inside both parentheses and simplify to 85 plus 5 divided by 5 times 2. And the next step, they go to the multiplication between 5 and 2 because they believe multiplication has priority over division. So, they simplify this expression to 85 plus 5 divided by 10. And the final step, they perform the division between 5 and 10 because they say division has a higher priority than addition. So, they rewrite this expression as 85 plus 0.5, which ultimately gives them the answer 85.5. And immediately, they conclude that option C is the correct answer to this question. However, that's definitely wrong. Alright, now let's go step by step together and we'll show you how to solve this expression properly. To solve this question, we must follow the PEMDAS rule step by step. And this rule, P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponent, M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. We must follow the order of operations exactly in order from top to bottom. Alright, as you can see in the image, in this expression, first we have an addition sign, then parentheses, followed by a division sign, after that we have a multiplication sign, and finally another parenthesis. We must start with the parentheses first, because they have the highest priority than the other operations. So, this expression simplifies to 85 plus 5 divided by 5 times 2. And the next step, we move on to the division and multiplication, because multiplication and division have higher priority than addition. However, it's really important to understand that multiplication and division have exactly the same level of priority. In this situation, the best approach is to start from the left and move toward the right, performing these two operations in order. So, we begin with the division between 5 and 5, and instead of this expression, we can write 85 plus 1 then times 2. And the final step, we handle the multiplication between 1 and 2, and this expression simplifies to 85 plus 2, which finally gives us the answer 87. That's great. Option D is the correct answer to this question.